You mean R. Launching of the Rallycraft Daniel Leitner special. It's got the PMF Poor Man's Fiberglass under there. Jet ski trailer modified. Well, hello there. It's me, American Boathead, and this is another episode of Trying Other People's Mini Boats. If you want a more in-depth view of each one of these boats and their pros and cons laid out for you, be sure and follow my YouTube series and, you know, like and subscribe and do all that good stuff. And, most importantly, go build a gosh darn boat. The Rallycraft. What is it modeled after again?
67 Firebird.
Yeah.
Rally stripes.
Yeah.
Rallycraft.
Pins to keep. Actually, that's actually a good application of those pins because you do need to kind of take it off, right?
Mm-hmm. You can take it off, they're fully functional.
Yeah.
I'll tell you what though, Firebird never had my...
Yeah. Oh, not just you, but a newbie getting a perspective. Somebody who's not biased, you know, didn't build the thing.
Oh. How does this thing work?
Two switches on your right-hand side dash. The switch is up is forward, middle is off, back is reverse,
Okay.
and then the dial is your speed.
Okay.
And then steering is self-explanatory.
Pull back on the rope. Whoa.
Yes,
Stop.
that's right.
No.
Not horses.
Yeah.
Okay.
So that lawnmower accessories fit perfect.
Yeah, they do. And I'm still in love with the bell I put on.
Oh yeah.
Tricycle bell.
Yeah.
And then the bicycle part on the.
Oh yeah, that's been one of my favorite.
I bought another one cheap on Amazon. For the second motor I have, I just haven't put it on yet.
There she goes.
I gotta check the rock test.
Yeah.
I'm gonna overcompensate
Yep.
on the driving.
It feels pretty stable.
Yeah. Super stable.
I really think there's two things that contribute to that. It's the flat bottom and then the battery in the front. It gives you just kind of a balancing weight.
Yeah. How wide is it?
36.
36, yeah.
Yeah.
Hey, stand up in it. Yeah, that's pretty good.
Heck yeah.
Brian?
Yeah. Oh yeah, it's real stable.
Happy's a pirate.
Yeah, just in perfect room for your feet.
Damn.
Kind of doubles as a spinner knob.
Mm-hmm. Look at him drifting around the corner.
Right.
Full speed here, that's pretty good.
Takes corners though.
Yeah, it barely leans at all. I like the variable speed too. No clicking.
She leaves a little more wake than some of the other ones do.
Oh yeah.
She's got a bigger.
You got the classic problem of not being able to steer.
Right.
Unless it's under power.
Power.
Wow, that's great. I love that control, the throttle control. You got Daniel. You also have a 55. Hey. I like it.